Question 9 says a product has a high price elasticity of supply. What might explain this? Let's see. A says the product has a high opportunity cost. No, that doesn't affect the elasticity of supply. So, not A. B, the product has a non-perishable nature. Yes, and it has a high price elasticity of supply. So, yes, B, you can produce this product and store it for later when the prices increase, for example. C says the product is classed as an inferior good, but that affects the elasticity of demand, but not necessarily the elasticity of supply. So not C. And D says the product is considered to be a luxury. And if the product is a luxury, the demand curve is probably highly elastic, but this says the elasticity of supply. So answer for 9 is B. Question 10. Maybe make this a little smaller so we can see it. Question 10 says, here's a demand curve and a supply curve for I operations. And the operations are free to the consumer. Which statement is correct? Oh, A, consumer surplus from the operations is ODD1. That's tempting. That's tempting. But no, the consumer surplus from the operations is DPX. I'm going to label this point X. So DPX. Anyway, A is not the answer. Try B. The equilibrium price is indeterminate because the supply curve is vertical. No, that's not true. We can find the equilibrium price, and the equilibrium price is right here. It's P. And that's what C says. The equilibrium price is P. So answer is C. Let's try D. The equilibrium says the equilibrium price is 0. Now, if something is free to the consumer, that doesn't mean the equilibrium price is 0. The government is paying for this, and there's a cost for I operations. So somewhere is an optimal amount of I operations for the government to provide. And that quantity is here because the cost is here. And this is the most allocatively efficient, right? Cost matches demand, or marginal cost equals average revenue. There's no revenue. You see, C is the answer for question 10.